Hello everyone, this is Manoj Suryavanshi, currently working as an assistant professor in All India Shri Shivaji Memorial Society's College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Shivaji Nagar, Pune. Subject is Accommodation Operations 1, Subject Code C303, Chapter 3, Linen. The objective of this session is to understand the past stock and factors affecting to past stock. It is very important for a guest room attendant to know what to mean by past stock. Unless he or she will not come to know what is past stock, he or she would be unable to provide the actual quantity of stock in the floor pantry and to provide the better services and smooth operation as far as guest rooms are concerned. Unless you will not maintain the actual quantity of past stock in your floor pantry, you will not be able to make out all the guest rooms within a time frame. So it is extremely important to maintain the past stock. So we'll see that what do you mean by past stock. This refers to the amount of each type of linen required to make up all the guest rooms of the hotel at a given time, and so is the minimum quantity of clean linen that must be on hand at any time. So it is very important to maintain the actual quantity of stock which requires every day by the guest room attendant, so that as and when they require to make out the room, so they can easily go and collect linen from the floor pantry and they can easily make the room. Otherwise they will have to go frequently to the laundry and collect the linen. So to reduce all those trouble and extra load, to maintain the pass stock is the better option for a guest room attendant. And pass stock is also called in a other language, that is called house setup. So the pass stock quantity of linen is also referred to as a house setup. If you really want to have a actual quantity of linen for all those rooms which normally guest room attendant make every shift, and the ratio is 1 is to 16. So one GRA clean 16 rooms in a day and provide all the linens in each room's category within his or her 9 hours duty. So to maintain all those stocks in your floor pantry, it is very important. Now there are various factors which affect your pass stock, and you can see here there are four factors: the laundry cycle, then occupancy level and usage, then replacement, and emergencies. The laundry cycle is nothing but what does the hotel have its laundry. If the hotel is having their own laundry, so it is very much easy for guest room attendant to go down and collect the linen and keep it in the floor pantry as and when they require. But the laundry is located somewhere else, so it's very difficult to maintain the stock. So in this situation, he or she has to maintain bar stock in the floor pantry, so that there won't be any obstacles, there won't be any barriers to make the rooms on the given time by the front office department. So if yes, the number of sets can be reduced as the linen is washed the same day. And if a contract laundry handles the linen, the delivery period has to be taken into account and extra stocks kept on hand for the interim period. So as you know that if you go for a contracted laundry, it takes their own time, own sweet time to deliver the linen to the hotel. So in this situation, what is your first job and priority to maintain the stock in your floor pantry for the next day. So in advance, all the guest room attendant will keep their laundry with the actual number of stock, so that next day they will not run filter and splitter everywhere. Second is occupancy level and usage. Yes, it is very much dependent on your occupancy. If the occupancy is very high and you need a certain quantity of linen, then you have to ensure that this is going to happen today or tomorrow. So what would be your first job? To keep all the linens in a floor pantry in an advance, so that even the hotel will get busy or occupancy will go high, you can easily manage. So how busy is the hotel, you have to find out, you have to communicate with the front office department, and accordingly you have to keep the stock ready. Then what are the peak periods? There are some months, or you can say there are fixed peak periods in a year where you have to face 100% occupancy in your hotel, and during this situation you have to keep on maintaining your stock on regular basis. otherwise you may face the problem. So the summer season and humid climates necessitate more frequent changes of towels. So as per the occupancy and as per the peak periods, whatever the requirement of linen, you have to manage and maintain properly. Otherwise, guests may also shout and you will also come in a critical situation. So whether lowering the par would lead to overuse of each linen article, leading to rapid deterioration and contamination is also to be taken into account. So sometimes the overuse of each linen may also reduce your stock. So you have to decide as per the management decision how much linen should be provided in the guest rooms on each day. Do not go and cross that limit. If two are sufficient for one single guest room, so that should be provided. Do not go for extra linen, otherwise it may affect on your past stock, right? And you could not fulfill all the requirement of linen to other guest rooms. So this may also happen. So please keep it into consideration. Then replacement. The general rule of thumb is to store one full par stock quantity of new linen on an annual basis as replacement for worn out, damaged, lost or stolen linen articles. See, there should be a buffer stock, that is called safety stock. Always it should be there for any replacement. If something goes wrong, some linen are misplaced, some linens are worn out, some linens are damaged, some linens are lost, or some linens are stolen, right? So in this situation, how you will manage the condition, right? So in this situation, if you're having a separate stock from where you can use all the linens and you can replace in the guest rooms easily. So there is no need to go and run here and there and to beg someone to give me the linen or to request someone to give me the linen. So it is always better to maintain your past stock for any emergency. Then emergency power failure or equipment damage may shut down the hotel's laundry operations and interrupt the movement of linen through the laundry cycle. So one past stock of linen is kept on hand for such emergency situation. See, we are not known everyone then which is going to happen tomorrow, right? So we cannot see future. So maybe tomorrow there could be a power failure or any equipment which is not working or any washing cycle is stopped completely, or is there any issue with any employee, right? Or employees are on leave. So you never know what is going to happen tomorrow. So accordingly, you should be prepared with your plan B, plan C, right? That is called extra power should be maintained by you in the floor pantry or in the stock room. So whenever you feel that or whenever you found that the electricity is not working or there is a damage in the equipment or a technician is required to come and check the machine. So in this situation you can easily use your another bar which was specially kept for an emergency, right? So this emergency stock will help you to deal with all the situations and you can manage it properly. So it was all about past stock and its factors. So those factors are very important. We should know in detail, right? That how other factors can impact on your past stock. So past stock should be maintained by the guest room attendant in their floor pantry on regular basis, so that they won't face any crisis of linen when there is any emergency situation. Now we are moving towards quiz on past stock and the factors affecting past stock. I'll provide the link in my comment box. You can appear for the quiz and you can submit the quiz. Then you can see your score online. And these are the references which I use for my PPT. And finally, thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe.